Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video we will see exploring global precipitation, vegetation, soil moisture, surface model and temperature data with JAXA API plugin in QGIS. Let's open a QGIS window and load a vector layer. Now go to plugin, manage and install plugins. Select JAXA Earth API plugin. Install the plugin. And close the window. Now go to JAXA API Earth API plugin. Select precipitation rate monthly normal data and select the vector has a spatial extent for the map and filter the date. And you can load the data. Now we would like to see the details of the dataset. Click on the details and see the precipitation rate and all the information related to global precipitation measurement mission is given in the web page. You can see the map demo. Now you can also see the map layers and the range of values for the map. Now select another data set, soil moisture content for a specific date. For the specific period of time. For the extent of map and load the dataset. And you can see the range of values for the soil moisture content for the monthly basis. Select another dataset, normalized difference vegetation index monthly dataset for the specific period of time and the map extent, and which is present between 2002 to until present time period. And load the dataset. You can see the map that is displayed and see the layers for different months. Now let's select another one. A digital surface model for the map extent, same map extent of vector layer, and for the time period 2021 or February, and go to the load map to load the images. And you can see the digital surface model layer on the map layer. Similarly, let's select another layer, land surface temperature, daytime and monthly for the period 2023 January to December for the same extent, and load the layer map. Now let's see how to calculate the average and the sum of values for the selected vector and the raster data. Now go to Zonal Statistics and select the raster layer and the vector layer and save the output and run it. Now open the attribute table. So you will find the average, mean, count, sum values for the vector layer calculated from the raster layer behind. Thanks for watching. Happy mapping!